In this video, I will show you how to install and use the seamless transition pack for DaVinci Resolve, and it would be a quick review. So without further ado, let's get started. After you will download this transition pack, you will receive a zip folder something like this. Thereafter, what you have to do, you have to extract it, and you need to extract it using any unzip program like WinRR or 7zip, and just select the extract to DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so once that would be extracted, you will receive this folder. Just open this folder, and inside this folder you will have the DaVinci Resolve transition. Just open this folder again. Here you have the fresh transition pack. This is the help file. So if you just open this help file, it is the text document. If you just open it, it will show you how to install it, but don't worry, I'll just show you how you can install it. And then we have the preview file. So this is the preview file, so it's all the preview. If you want to see what is the look of a particular transition, just open this file. This is the HTML file that's going to launch your browser just like this, and here you will see all the transitions. So this is the before and after cinematography, light leaks, and all these motions, lines, perspective, rotation, so you can quickly see which transition is which. Okay, and let me just close it because I don't need this. And if you go back, there is another folder of the sound effects. So these are the sound effects which are used in this transition. If you want to use this, you can use these, and these are the fresh transitions. So these are the transitions. So this is dot setting files. So what you have to do, you have to select all of these by pressing Ctrl A or Command A, and then press Ctrl C, Command C to copy them. And thereafter, what you have to do, you have to just go to this PC, and you have to go to the C drive, and inside C drive there is a program file folder, and over here you will see Blackmagic Design. So just open this folder, and here you will see the DaVinci Resolve. Just open this one as well, and then over here you will see this folder of Fusion. Just open this, and inside it you will see these templates. Just open these templates, and over here this is the folder of edit. Just open this edit folder, and inside it you will see the transitions, titles, and generators. So just open the transition and copy all of these transition over here. I have already done these, so I'm not going to just do this. All right, so I have already copied these. So once you have copied all the transitions, so this is the way of pasting the transition in Windows. And if you are having the Mac, then in the Mac you will see you have to go to the library, then application support, and then Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, and then Fusion, and then template, then edit, and then transitions. So for the Mac, this is the address. All right, so you have to just copy these into this folder for the Mac. I've just shown you the Windows, so let me just close it, and now you have to just relaunch your Resolve. All right, so I've already just copied that, so I'll just launch the test one of the project. So I'll just open this. So once you launch the DaVinci Resolve transition, so here I have a simple sequence, so one clip to the another. So here I want to place the transition. So for this purpose you need to go to the effects library, and over here you will see the video transitions. So you just need to scroll down. So these are some default transition, and if you just go down over here you will see the Fusion transition. So these are some transition we have just installed. So what you can do, just drag and drop over your clip, and that's going to work. So I'll just drag this one and drop it between the cut, so just like this. All right, so I can even expand these as well. So if I want, I can expand it even further, and if I just play it, you can see. All right, if you have hard time playing these transitions, so for that purpose you need to go to the playback, and over here you need to just go to the render cache. In the playback, render cache, and over here you just select the smart. So if you just leave it for a moment, you can see this red line is now turned blue. So that means Now we can play it easily. Alright, so this is the transition. So let me just delete this one and find something, another one like this fresh digital glitch. So if I just drop it over here and I'll just leave it for a second so that it just render it out. It might take a while depending on the speed of your system. Alright, and if I just play it through, boom, this is the digital glitch transition. Let me just play it back once again. Alright, so let me just undo it and just drop something like this fresh kaleidoscope transition. I'll just leave it for a moment and until it turns blue. Alright, now I can play it. Boom, isn't this amazing transition? Alright, so let me undo it and let me show you some more like motion distortion. Place this one and now boom, isn't this amazing? So let me just show you another one, fresh perspective. So let me just drop it over here, wait for the render to complete. Alright, so it's taking too long, so let me just okay, it has started. If I just play it through, let's see. Oh, it has not rendered the full transition because some effects may take a little longer to render. Alright, so this looks something like this. Alright, so let me just undo it and let me show you this one, fresh rolls 07. Drop it over here. Let's wait to render it until this line turns blue. Alright, and now if I just play it, boom, wow, this is amazing. Alright, so it has lots of transitions. So there is one more, let me just show you this quickly. The last one, zoom out or zoom in and out. So if I just play it, alright, so let's wait to render it. So once it would be rendered, we can have the preview. Alright, so now let's play it. Boom. So these are very amazing seamless transitions, and these are very amazing transitions. This is very affordable. So if you want to download, the link of these are in the description section below. And if you want to have the unlimited downloads, you can check out the subscription of Envato Elements, which cost around $16.5 per month if you pay annually. Otherwise it's $33 a month, and with that you can download absolutely anything, be it a video, audio templates, transitions for Fusion, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and audio and stock images and the stock videos and the Photoshop actions and WordPress items. So basically you are getting everything at one place without paying anything extra. And the good thing about this is that you can use this for unlimited number of projects. And one more good thing about this is that you can even use it for your client's work. So even the client's work is also included and that are also covered. So this subscription is really amazing. Once I got this, I haven't had looked back and I haven't cancelled this subscription. So this is very amazing subscription. If you are interested, go ahead and check this out. This costs $16.5 a month if you pay annually, but if you choose to pay monthly, you have to pay $33 a month, which is an amazing deal considering the fact that you can use it for unlimited number of projects and even for your client's work. Check out the link in the description section below.